If you have any type of car buying question, please write comment in the comment section. Today video is about Hyundai Creta, Stargazer crash test results out. Hyundai Creta facelift price in India 13 to 23 lakh. Hyundai Stargazer price in Indonesia $13,000 to $23,000. Out of 51 points for child occupant protection, Indonesia spec Creta scored 39.67. This includes dynamic, vehicle-based, installation and child detection tests. The vehicle scored 14.79 points out of 21 points in safety assist feature tests. These tests involved effective braking and avoidance, seatbelt reminders, autonomous emergency braking and advanced safety assist technologies. Stargazer scored 25.97 points out of 32 points in adult occupant protection, 36.92 points out of 51 points in child occupant protection, 12.64 points out of 21 points in safety assist systems, and lastly, Stargazer scored 7 points out of 16 points in motorcyclist safety. All the scores combined, Stargazer MPV scored 4 stars out of 5 in ASEAN NCAP crash tests. For any type of question about Hyundai Creta and Stargazer, please write question in the comment section. For more information about Hyundai Creta facelift and Stargazer, please subscribe Motorcar India. Please subscribe Motorcar India and press the bell icon. Like this video, share with your friend. Comment me which type of car buying question you have.